the Range 702. They picked up, it's locked and loaded, or at their new location now. You can celebrate their grand reopening rather, and third anniversary this Saturday.
That's right. Here with a steady hand is General Manager Brian Doleshaw and Sales Manager Gabe Soto. Good morning to both of you and welcome.
Good
morning. Thank you very much.
Congratulations on celebrating 3 years. How does that feel?
Feels amazing. Absolutely it does. We're very honored to be a part of the community and very thankful for everything that's come our way so far.
For those who don't know the experience that Range 702 can give you, it's kind of like it's a high-class shooting range, right?
Absolutely. We're a 5-star facility, very similar to that of the hospitality industry. We have standards, verbiage, appearance, and everything in between that we have to adhere to every single day. We obviously cater to the tourism market, but we're unique in the respect that we also cater to the locals as well. So it's a unique experience the second you walk through the door until you leave again.
Now, what can we do at the Range 702?
As a local, you can do a number of things, and that's what makes us very unique. We have educational classes, we have beginners to handguns, CCW classes, we have Don't Be a Victim classes. That's for our education alone. Not to mention with our handgun side of things, we can actually have you come in and rent anything that you might be possibly buying. Very similar to a car. Why would you why would you drive a car that you never drove?
Right.
Same thing.
Test drive it.
Test drive, absolutely. We'll let you test drive the gun, and if you like it, you can buy it.
You want to make sure that it feels good in your
Absolutely.
hand. Yeah, exactly.
Absolutely.
I'd seen the old location and the sign went down. I'm like, what? What happened? You just moved right down the street.
Absolutely. We had a fantastic opportunity to pick up a new location on Dean Martin next to our neighbors at the Hustler Club there. We purpose-built this new facility, 17,000 square feet,
Wow.
state-of-the-art. Everything from the air quality to the advertisement is brand new in this facility.
Yeah, it looks fantastic. And you are throwing a huge bash. Can you tell us about that?
Absolutely. So Saturday, this upcoming Saturday, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., we're welcoming all our locals and our membership holders to come enjoy and try out our new facility. Like Brian was saying, we have all new air quality, gun rentals, new guns. We're offering Glock 43s for just over $500, so we're doing specials on that and bulk ammo. Food, a few people from Sons of Guns. We had
great.
Joe, if you guys aren't familiar with him, so he'll be out there as well from Ackley's Defense.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
And you also have this. Speaking of those special offers, a lot of people they're coming in. You have two types of gun people. You have your die-hard bumper sticker on the back, card-carrying NRA type. Then you have myself, who's kind of like, but I need one for the house.
Absolutely.
And you cater to both.
Absolutely. You know, our facility was actually founded, in theory, 4 years ago by our owner. And he went to another range in town here, and it was not a great experience.
Yeah.
So he actually wanted to put together a facility that when you come in, whether you're the expert or the novice or anything in between, you feel as comfortable as anybody. We don't look down our nose at anybody, and we educate. We educate through the entire process. And your family, once you walk through that door, doesn't matter who you are.
Yeah, a lot of people are worried about break-ins, and so they're arming themselves as well, so you can help people with protection.
Absolutely. This is obviously home invasions are on the rise, as we were discussing earlier, and it's a perfect time to come in and familiarize yourself with something. Like we talked about, we offer an educational class called Don't Be a Victim. It's a perfect opportunity to come in, test out a few firearms. If you like one, purchase one, have it. If you need it, you have it. If you don't, well, you still have it.
And you have a military discount on your website that people
Absolutely.
can check out. Can you tell us about that?
We have a series, actually, of discounts for locals, military, police officers, you name it.
First
You
responders.
go on to the range702.com, check us out, and we actually have all the list of everything we talked about today.
Yeah.
Excellent. The one thing about buying a firearm, having done so twice now, it can be very overwhelming because there's so many different brands, there's different types of ammo, and you can kind of walk us through that if we don't know what we're doing.
Absolutely. You know, one of the things that we talked about earlier, like I said, is our staff is very much so there to help. They're not going to force a sell on you. They're not going to tell you the best thing that they have.
Yeah.
They're going to let you figure it out, the feel, the price range, everything in between. They're going to let you make that decision, not them making it for you.
Now, Gabe, when we want to go get certified to carry a gun, how many hours of training does it typically take?
As far as your CCW courses, it's a 9-hour course total, including your 1-hour lunch break, but an 8-hour course.
Okay.
So we offer that on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and that's all available if you guys just call us at the Range 702. We could get you guys assisted as far as what availability we have.
And do you find more and more homeowners coming in with that same sort of worry?
Absolutely.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's one of those things right now in the world. It's not just in Nevada, but right now, just with all the uncertainty, it's once again, it's better to have it, be educated, and understand what you have at your bedside. be able to use it if you need it, or just feel comfortable with it.
Now, do you find a lot of women are coming in and shooting?
Absolutely. Right now, our demographic for females is right around 40% for local. Once again, we put our entire business plan together to make everybody feel comfortable, and we've seen that tenfold with our clientele coming through the door.
No, I'm into zombies right now. So if I go and do target shooting, can I pick out a zombie and go to town?
We have a few different targets that are actually
what do you
targeted
have?
towards. We have.
Osama bin Zombie.
There you go.
That's my favorite.
There you go. So we actually have a few that you can do, and then if you wanted to come in and really just go more bang for your buck, we actually have a machine gun rental experience on the tourist side called the Zombie Hunt. So you can actually hunt some zombies on that side.
There's a tourist side.
There absolutely is, yes.
Oh, so if you're a local, you could bypass that line? Totally?
Absolutely. We have we definitely put the tourists on one side and the locals on the other side.
Oh, very nice.
And we have two different experiences for both.
That is great. Oh, that's
Absolutely.
awesome. Well,
Again,
it's great having you
yeah,
guys.
and the party is on Saturday.
Yes, ma'am. 11 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Absolutely. Come out and see us. We have some fantastic partnerships that are going to be there. Barbecue in the parking lot and some amazing deals on some firearms and accessories.
All right,
Awesome.
gentlemen,
It's great having you.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
All right, thank you very much.
Again, the Range 702 hosting a grand reopening and third anniversary celebration at their new location. It's on Dean Martin, south of Russell. The party in their parking lot goes from 11 to 3 on Saturday with food, entertainment, firearms, and special guests. It is free to attend. To find out more about the Range 702 and their new location, just call the number or head to the website on your screen. They're also on Facebook and Twitter. Much more to come